be doing a 30 subscribers special. Thank you guys so much. I'm so happy about this. And we're not going to do all of my fidgets because I have loads from Charlotte Macy. So thank you so much. So happy. I appreciate it. Thank you. Anyway, if Charlotte Macy is watching this, please comment. You're welcome. Okay, that would make my day. I would be happy. Okay? Anyways, let's get to it. We're going to do some of the fidgets. I'm going to start with the puzzle poppets first. Remember that old video, Popper Stack Oof? Well, we're coming back to these poppets. They're nice, they feel good, and they have numbers on them. And you can also make a big ball. Okay, this is sort of confusing to assemble. Since it's rubber, it's sort of flimsy. Yeah, it's flimsy. And it's just sort of hard to put together. And anyways, we're gonna put it on, tuck it in, and then put on the lid. It's fun to pop around with. Boop, boop. I like smashing it. Yeah, that's what's fun. Smashing it. Okay, we're gonna move on. Whoop. Next is Nintendo Game Controller. You can play Asphalt 9 and many other games, like Asphalt A, which isn't even on the Nintendo Switch. Yeah, these are just fidget pads. They look like video game controllers, which are fun to play with. They're nice. Nothing really else to say. Good. But my favorite part about this one is this. Listen to it. Sounds so good. And my favorite thing about this one is this. And if you do it really fast, it can sound like ticking. And next is my customized tangle. It's big, it's colorful. It's good. It's fun to play with. At least didn't make it in there. That's purple poppet. It has a bunch of pops, it's square. And it's not rubber. I mean, like, the pops are still rubber, but, like, the opening is still, like, plastic. Hard plastic. I think this might be plastic, like flimsy plastic. I'm not sure. It's rubber flimsy plastic? Can someone please search that up and then tell me in the comments? Anyways. Feels nice. Yeah. I like it. And this rainbow poppet, definitely one of my favorites. It just feels nice. It's colorful. Got a bunch of colors. And this isn't even red. How could they forget red? Red is my favorite color. Whatever. It's still colorful. And it feels nice. It's all good. Okay. Next, I'm not sure if this counts as a fidget toy, but I'm calling it a fidget toy. It's a water timer. It's relaxing. Just doze into it. You're going to get hypnotized. Okay, anyways, I like to, like, tilt around the water bubbles, and it's, like, fun. You can play around with it. Great. Next is this purple squish thing. Cool. You know, it's stretchy. It's rubbery. Pow. Ow, that hurt. And it's just squishy. And another one is the marble mesh. You can push the marble around, and then if you push against the sides, it'll make it into like a big box, and you can like play around with it. Last but not least, the crystal ball. The crystals are crushed up, and I'm happy with that. And you know, it's relaxing. Oh, and this thing, this actually isn't from Charlotte Macy. This is actually from another channel who's also my friend, Florence Lynn, or Lynn Florence. Anyways, her channel, well, I can't give you a link, but I'm still subscribed to her. But, like, the channel doesn't exist anymore, like, but it's still open on YouTube, which is sort of funny. But anyways, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And again, thank you so much. And you probably noticed him from the beginning of the video. His name is Juicy Blue. And I also showed you my bed, sort of it. And thank you for watching. GTXT out. Whoop.